What if I told you that just 5 simple money moves could make you $100,000 in a single year? No gimmicks, no lottery tickets, just proven strategies that anyone can use. Stick around because I'm about to break down exactly how I did it, and how you can too. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut, working hard but not getting ahead, this video is for you. I'm your name, and today I'm sharing the 5 money moves that helped me make $100,000 in 2024. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just build wealth, these strategies will work for you. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Let me take you back to where I started. 2 years ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job, barely making ends meet, and feeling like I'd never get ahead. I was drowning in student loans, had no savings, and honestly, I felt hopeless. But then, I discovered these 5 money moves, and everything changed. Fast forward to today, and I've not only paid off all my debt, but also built a 6-figure net worth. And the best part? You can do it too. Let's break it down. Money move number 1, the side hustle stack. Here's the truth. Your 9-to-5 job alone probably won't make you rich. That's why my first money move was starting a side hustle, or in my case, multiple side hustles. I started freelancing in my spare time, selling digital products online, and even driving for a rideshare app on weekends. The key is to stack your side hustles so you're earning from multiple sources. For example, I made $20,000 in 1 year just from freelancing. And guess what? You don't need any special skills to get started. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy make it easier than ever to turn your hobbies into cash. Now, before we get to money move number 2, let me ask you this. What if I told you there's a way to make your money work for you without lifting a finger? Stick around because this next move is a game changer. Money move number 2, invest in index funds. Here's the deal. Saving money is great, but if you're not investing, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. My second money move was investing in index funds. These are low-cost, low-risk investments that track the stock market, and they're perfect for beginners. I started by investing just $500 a month, and thanks to compound interest, that money grew into $30,000 in just a few years. The best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to get started. Apps like Robinhood and Acorns make it super easy to start investing with just a few dollars. Money move number 3, the no-budget budget. Let's be real, traditional budgeting sucks. It's restrictive, time-consuming, and honestly, it's hard to stick to. That's why I created what I call the no-budget budget. Instead of tracking every single expense, I focus on one thing: paying myself first. Every time I get paid, I automatically transfer 20% of my income into savings and investments. The rest is mine to spend guilt-free. This simple strategy helped me save $15,000 in 1 year without feeling like I was depriving myself. And the best part? It takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Here's the hard truth. Inflation is real, and it's eating away at your purchasing power. If you're not actively growing your money, you're losing it. But don't worry. Money move number 4 will show you how to fight back. Money move number 4, real estate crowdfunding. With inflation hitting record highs, your cash is losing value faster than ever. That's why my 4th money move was investing in real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate with as little as $500. I started with $5,000, and in just 1 year, I earned a 10% return. That's $500 in passive income. Real estate is one of the best ways to beat inflation, and crowdfunding makes it accessible to everyone. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what if I don't have any money to invest? Don't worry, money move number 5 is perfect for you. Money move number 5, build an online business. Let's face it, sometimes your main job just isn't enough. That's where an online business comes in. My 5th money move was starting an online store selling digital products. I used platforms like Shopify and Etsy to sell printables, templates, and ebooks. In my first year, I made $25,000. And the best part? Once the products are created, they sell themselves. If you're looking for a way to make money while you sleep, this is it. If you found these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like button, share this video with a friend who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to take control of your financial future. Start today, and who knows? By this time next year, you could be well on your way to $100,000. See you in the next video.